Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no imposters, trolls, or cheesy YouTube commentators. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. I'm sitting here trying to do another video, and there's a knock on the door, and I go, who the hell's knocking on my door? It's 7 o'clock. It's Amazon. So let's open it up. And I was really surprised. Now, I know what this is, because I always have to check. At least I know what part of it is. It says, I thought Pikachu needed a companion. Squirtle is so cute. Now, here is the gift receipt. The problem is, yes, he does need a companion. But do I keep this? Or do I give it to Kathy because she loves Squirtle? So let's open him up. This is very cute. Now, I am not as enamored of Squirtle as Kathy is. You know me, I love my Charmander and Dragonite. Those are my two favorites. Being a Taurus, we like flame and dragons and stuff. Okay. There he is. There's the Squirtle. That means I got to go buy a Squirtle now. And it comes with a drop of water. So, because if I don't buy a Squirtle, I'll never hear the end of it. You got a Squirtle? You didn't give me one? So, I have a dilemma here. Well, that's all right. On the 28th, I'll buy Kathy a Squirtle. Well, thank you for this. Oh, it's smiling. Look, it's got a little smile on it. How cute. A little smile in the water. It looks like a smile. All right. Oh, Pikachu fell over. That's the problem with these things. They don't stay up well. And somebody just fell in there. Oh, the remote control for that. I gotta move that. All right. Let's see. Where can I put him? All right. He'll go up here. I'm running out of room. There's Squirtle. I'll have to rearrange this. Put this. I didn't turn on that light. Oh, there he goes. He's falling off the counter, falling off the shelf. All right. Hold on. Let's turn the light. There we go. Okay. Thank you for that. It's very cute. Now they have someone to talk to. Got to catch them all, but I don't all 600. You know, I got more Pokemon than commandments, you know. I don't want to give all 600 Pokemon in here. I got no room. So thank you for this. Here's the back. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Squirtle. And Funko out of Everett, Washington. Seems to me a certain talk show host goes up there. Olympia Everett, one of them animals. Does his singing and dancing and whatever else he does. All right, so there's the box. Thank you for that. I really appreciate that. I was about to go do this video and go off and cat feed. So I appreciate that. I will rearrange so they're together. And here is the stacked cat feed. I'm having issues. 2 weeks ago, Sunday, I hit my head on the milk crate by the door, which is full of paranormal books. Hit it right here, really hard. Within about 20 minutes, I got an excruciating pain in my head. And then the next day I fell because I didn't see the raised brick on the sidewalk. Kathy was yakking behind me. But I was having dizzy spells before that happened, but now it's getting worse. Last night, this arm raised up on its own and started shaking. I was in bed and got really dizzy playing my game. The screen, my eyes blanked out. I had a blackout, and my vision blurred, and I got nauseous, so I can't go to the doctor tomorrow or tonight because there's nowhere to get there. I should have done this 2 weeks ago, Kathy said, but I will go um, uh, um, Monday and get this checked out because where it hit was right at the temple, and it's really hurting. I've had a headache every day that doesn't go away, so that's where I'll be Monday. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. Maybe I need a combat helmet for when I walk around my apartment. A steel hat from World War II, you know. Put the helmet on when I head toward the door. It ain't safe. All right. Stay warm and dry. Stay safe because it ain't safe in here sometimes. I trip over my own shoes or the red blanket. The cats like to sleep on my couch pillow, and they love that little red blanket. And that thing goes over the bed. I wind up getting my toes caught in it. So thank you for this. Let's see what happens if I scan this. I have no idea. I think I have the Amazon app on here. By the way, another thing, this Android phone, it keeps freezing. I don't know why. Let's see. I have Amazon Prime. I took off. I did put a calendar on, an alarm clock, which is weird, and a flashlight. I don't have Amazon. Very strange. Well, I have to put that on. All right. This is very limited. Compared to an iPhone where I had like 70 apps. You put too many apps in this, we're out of memory. We're out of storage. So thank you for the Funko Pop Squirtle. I'll tell Kathy she'll be suitably annoyed. Bye-bye for now.